Hello and welcome to this episode of Daiji Global Panvision.
Today's telecast is sponsored by Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bangalore.
First, the news headlines from abroad. Kanajar Welfare Association Kuwait celebrates Christmas. Bunch Bahrain arranges picnic at Al Fadak Gardens. News headlines from Mumbai. Chembur Karnataka Sangha celebrates Golden Jubilee. Here's what we have in our local news. Colorful tableau taken out by Rosario Cathedral draws thousands. Perampalli parishioners celebrate Christmas on a mega scale. And in our entertainment bash, we have songs by the artists of Rising Stars musical band from the Christmas celebrations held by Perampalli parishioners.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Sri Ananthakripa Residential Apartments built on a prime location in Bijay in Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
News in detail. For Mangaloreans, Christmas is also the time to return home. Large number of people of Dakshina Kannada and Udupi districts who are earning their livelihood in the Middle East and other foreign countries make it a point to visit their hometown and celebrate Christmas with their friends and relatives every December. The parishioners of Kanajar working in Kuwait under the banner of Kanajar Welfare Association Kuwait too celebrated the festival with gusto. It is on rare occasions that Christmas is preceded by long Eid holidays in Kuwait, and Kanajar Welfare Association Kuwait made perfect use of the opportunity to provide its members an occasion to interact with their fellow parishioners. The members interacted with each other. A large number of participants tried their skills to win the games. The main theme of the event was Share the Happiness. Not only did the members contribute fully in materials, but also shared their happiness during the event. Apart from festivals, picnics too provide an opportunity for the Mangalorean expatriates to interact with each other. Bunch Bahrain, an association of Bunch staying in Bahrain, went out on a pleasure excursion during the Eid holidays. Bunch Bahrain arranged a picnic for its members on Wednesday, December 19th in Al Fadak Garden at Sadat. Around 250 members with their families enjoyed this fun-filled picnic. There were games like volleyball for gents and throwball for ladies, and musical chair and musaru kuduke for senior members. Medical camp was conducted free by Bharat Ballal. Karnataka Sangha Chembur, that is working towards the promotion of Kannadiga community living in the faraway Chembur in Mumbai, completed 50 years, and to mark the occasion, a grand ceremony was held on Saturday, December 22nd. Karnataka Sangha Chembur celebrated Golden Jubilee recently at Shivaswamy Auditorium of Fine Arts Society on Saturday, December 22nd. Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, Dharmadhikari of Sri Kshetra Dharmasthala, inaugurated the program. Barkur Dharmaraya Shetty presided over the program. Prabhakar B. Bolar, President of Karnataka Sangha Chembur, was present. M.V. Kamath, eminent journalist, Anant Pai of Amara Chitrakatha fame, B.A. Sanadi, veteran poet, Sadanand Suvarna, eminent dramatist, late Sadanand A. Shetty were honored at the same occasion. Professor Ratnakar Shetty, Administration Officer of BCCI, Bhavani Shankar V. Acharya, Vice President of the Sangha, Ranjan Kumar Amin, Devadasa K. Shettigar, Joint Secretaries, Yogesh VG, Joint Treasurer, Madhukar Bailur, Jaya N. Shetty, committee members, and other office bearers were present. Christmas is a time when youth get an opportunity to exhibit their talent. They take active part in making cribs and in decorating Christmas trees, which is an integral part of the Christmas celebration. Rosario Cathedral Church, one of the oldest churches of Mangalore, celebrated Christmas in a big way. The colorful tableau taken out by Rosario Youth Movement and Catholic Sabha was an added attraction this time. We have a report on this. Rosario Cathedral Church has been taking out tableau during Christmas once in every 2 years since the year 2000. This year too, the colorful tableau was taken out from the church on December 25th evening. The tableau depicting scenes from the life of Jesus Christ passed through Pandeshwar, Marnamikatta, Jappu Market and Bolar, Livell. The tableau, taken out jointly by Rosario Youth Movement and Catholic Sabha, was displayed in these 4 places. Later on, the artists present there gave a performance on the tableau.
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಇಂದು ಆಚರಿಸುವಾಗ ಯೇಸು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತರ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ಅವರು ನುಡಿದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನುಡಿಯಲು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸೋಣ.
We have one more story on the Christmas celebration held by Perampalli parishioners, but after this short commercial break.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Sri Ananthakripa Residential Apartments built on a prime location in Bijay, in Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
Pinky Fashions for variety in dresses and dress materials. Buy one and get one free. Best quality of dresses for all family members. Jeans pants, terrycotton pants, ready-made shirts at the most affordable rates. For women, very special offers. Just for rupees 150, 2 sarees. From the lowest range of sarees to light quality jari sarees, fancy sarees and new design sarees. Just for rupees 125, 2 chudidar materials. Short top chudidars, embroidery design chudidars. 2 baba suits, rupees 80 only. 2 shirt pieces, rupees 110 only. 2 pant pieces, rupees 120 only. We are open on Sundays also up to 2 p.m. Just visit Pinky Fashions, Ajanta Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Cross Road, Hampankatta, Mangalore. Please note, we do not have any other branches. So visit Pinky Fashions.
Welcome back after the break. You are watching Daiji Global Panvision. Perampalli parishioners celebrated this Christmas with pomp and gaiety. This year's Christmas turned out to be a memorable one for the parishioners of Perampalli Church. On December 25th, Tuesday evening, the parishioners gathered in a large number at the church auditorium to watch the performance of Rising Stars Music Band and dance by Ocean Kids team. Perampalli parishioners celebrated Christmas Day on a grand scale on Tuesday, December 25th evening. Father Baptist Menezes, Episcopal Vicar of Udupi district, presided over the stage function held at the Our Lady of Fatima Church auditorium.
ಈ ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದತೆ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಆ ಕಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ಊದಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಮನೆ, ಮಠ, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, ಚರ್ಚು, ಮಸೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಶಾಂತಿ ನೆಲೆಸಲು ಆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಾಧವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದುಡಿಯೋಣ ಎಂಬ ಕರೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಈ ಪೆರಂಪಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳೀಬೇಕು. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಮುಂದಿನ ಜನಾಂಗ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು, ಧರ್ಮಸಭೆಯನ್ನು ಅನ್ಯೋನ್ಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಬಾಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂಡಿ ನಾವು ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತಿ ದೂತರಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂದಿನ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಬರುವ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಿದೆ.
Sri Lakshmiwara Tirtha Swamiji of Shirur Mutt,
ವಸುದೇವೆ ದೇವಕಿ ಉಲಾಡಿ ತಿಲಕನೆ ಕಂಸನ ಬಂಧನಡು ಆನಿ ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ ಪುಡುದೆ ಪಂಡದ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿ ಪಣ್ಪುಂಡು ಮುಲ್ಲು ಯೇಸುನಿ ಪಣ್ಪುಂಡು ಗೋದಲಿಡ ಆರು ಪುಡುದೇರಂದು ಇಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇಪ್ಪಿನಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಇರುವೆರ್ನಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯಕ ತೂವರೆ ಪೊನೊಂದು ಅಂಡ ಗೋವಳೇರು ಪಣ್ಪೇರು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆದ ಒಂಜಿ ಭೂಮಿಡುಲ್ಲು ನಮ ಹಿಂದವ ಸೋದರ ಸರ್ವೆ ಪಂಡದ ನಮ ಏಪಲ ಪಣಂದುಪ್ಪೋ.
Manohar Shetty, MD of Sai Radha Group of Companies, Councillor of Udupi City Municipal Council Ramesh Nayak, entrepreneur Agnel D'Souza and NRI Eric D'Souza were the chief guests on the occasion. Parish priest Father Romeo Lewis welcomed the gathering. Later, an orchestra performed by the Rising Stars enthralled the gathering. Well-known singers Roni Krasta, Ronnie Bindur and others entertained the audience through their songs. Members of Ocean Kids team entertained the audience with their mind-blowing dance performance. Agnel D'Souza and Eric D'Souza sponsored the program, in which more than 2,000 people participated with enthusiasm. In our entertainment bash, we have some melodious songs from the Christmas celebrations held by Perampalli parishioners, but after this short commercial break. So don't miss it. Stay tuned to us.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Sri Ananthakripa Residential Apartments, built on a prime location in Bijay, in Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
दिर्वे कोंगणी हप्ताळे सादर करता 240 विल्फिनाइट. जानेर 13 आयतारा सांजेर 6 वरार सान लुईस कॉलेजीच्या मुख्य मैदानात. तिकेट्यो सदनच्या सर्व सुवातांनी मेळटात. कार्यक्रम संपतच सिटी बसांची व्यवस्था आसा.